Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you've ever been in the middle of doing a project and the battery on your power tool goes out, you know how frustrating that can be. Well, I have found the perfect battery replacement for all of our Kobalt products with this DSANKE 24-volt lithium-ion battery.
I really appreciated that this battery was able to be charged with our original battery charger. It was very easy to just put it right on the charger, and after a few hours, it was fully charged and ready to go. This battery is designed to prevent overcharging and overheating as well. As always, we want to make sure that we take care of our batteries and store them appropriately. One of my favorite features of this battery is the battery gauge. By pressing the button, you can see how much charge you have left in your battery and if you're at a full charge. This makes sure you have no surprises. In our specific case, we have used this for a Kobalt leaf blower, and the battery we are replacing is the KB424-03. This battery is compatible with other models as well, so I would just check your model number. I like that this battery is designed to be compatible with all Kobalt powered products that are designed with the 24-volt battery. This allows you to use it interchangeably against a variety of different tools and accessories.
I am so happy that we have found this replacement 24-volt battery from DSANKE, but that's just my point of view.